Okay everyone, I'm going to be making keto bagels. We've been making these for 3 weeks in a row and we are loving them. So I have all my stuff. I'm going to do it in my KitchenAid. I just melted my cheese. That's the consistency we're looking for. So it's all nice and melted together. So I'm going to add this to the KitchenAid and then add in some eggs. Okay, so we added the cheese mixture and the eggs, and using the paddle, we started out on low and incorporate that all really well. And then we can move it up to medium. Okay, we have it all incorporated really nicely. Now we are going to be adding, I'm doubling it, so I'm adding 3 cups of almond flour and 2 tablespoons of gluten-free baking powder. All in there, and this is probably going to go everywhere. You can definitely do this by hand if you don't have a KitchenAid. The recipe also recommends a food processor to do this, so I don't have one of those, so this is what I'm using. See, it's becoming a dough, yay! And it says to use lightly oiled hands to pull it out of here, so I will have to oil my hands up. Okay, so we have our dough. Now I need to divide this into even portions because we are making a lot of bagels with this dough. So I'm just going to try and put it into a log like this, and then I will divide them out and equally shape them. Look at me, I'm a mess already, just from baking a little bit. So the recipe I doubled calls for 6, so I'm going to try and get 12 out of here. See if I can do it. I'm usually literally the worst at this. So I've evenly done it like that, and now I'm going to take each one and roll it into a snake shape. Pinch the ends together. I have my bagel. Okay, so I have rolled them all out. I got quite a few out of this batch. I'm even trying like a little pretzel over there. I then whipped up an egg, and I'm going to egg wash them all and then add seasoning. So I just lightly egg wash them. All egg washed. I'm going to take this from Trader Joe's. It's everything but the bagel. No carbs, and I'm just gonna generously coat each bagel. You can tell my cooking style is just go with it. I don't have any kind of precision. I'm not a great baker or cook, period. Just do what I can. And then for my pretzel, I'm just gonna add a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. And then I'm going to pop them in the oven, and I will show you what they look like when they come out. Okay, they're all done. They look so good. If you see the pretzel's gone, I ate it. They definitely have more of a biscuit texture than a pretzel texture, but it was still really good. So there we have them. I will leave the recipe in the comment box below. Hope you enjoyed this video.